Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've started out with beautiful weather conditions this morning with abundant sunshine and fairly mild temperatures for this time of year as well. We're going to continue to see warm temperatures throughout the day today and into the next several days as a warm pattern sets up over the eastern United States and uh, continues through much of next week. Into the middle of next week, we'll see some of our warmest temperatures that we have seen in quite some time as we see those temperatures maxed out to levels well above normal for this time of year. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see high pressure and control over the eastern United States and mostly clear conditions over the entire mid Atlantic region this morning. We do see a frontal system off to the west, taking shape west of Kentucky and stretching up towards the Great Lakes region. That will continue to move east as we go throughout the day today and will provide us with a little bit of increase in our cloudiness as we go into the evening hours tonight and especially through the day tomorrow as that system begins to move over the Wallops area. I want to take a quick look at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release. You can see those winds generally out of a southwesterly direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. And those winds fairly light for this time of year as well, seeing 28 knots at the 1,000-foot level and really staying fairly low as we go up in the column and seeing those winds at 21 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning is at 12,300 feet. Taking a look here at our infrared satellite, you can see the colder cloud tops associated with this frontal boundary, even some lightning and some thunderstorm activity across the deep south this morning up towards Mississippi and beginning to make its way into the western portions of Alabama this morning, seeing some thunderstorm activity in that neck of the woods. For us, though, we're going to remain dry throughout the day today, and most of this cloudiness will hold off as well until we get into the late portion of the afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. I want to look here at our forecast model and what we can expect over the next several days. You can see high pressure hanging on for us as we go through our Friday and then giving way to that frontal boundary as we go into the day tomorrow. You'll see a little bit of moisture being brought up from the south as we go into the morning hours tomorrow. So could see a light rain shower early tomorrow morning, but it does look like most of that activity will hold off until the later portion of the afternoon tomorrow and into the evening, where we'll see our best shot at seeing some significant rainfall out of this system. And as we go into the evening and overnight hours, we'll see the shower activity quickly come to an end after midnight. As we wake up Sunday morning, we will see a return to some sunshine and some pretty nice conditions overall for your Sunday, as this front does not look to usher in much of a cold air mass at all. If anything, we will see a bit warmer temperatures as we go into the late portion of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. Looking ahead to your Monday, you can see high pressure settling back into the area. Really no threat for precipitation as we go into Monday. And then our next system arrives midweek, pulling in quite warm conditions for us as we go into the middle portion of the week. We'll see temperatures in the 60s and return to some shower chances as we get into the day on Wednesday, seeing some of those showers across the area. It doesn't look like we will see a lot of rain out of this system, but we will see a pretty good chance of seeing some scattered showers, maybe even an embedded thunderstorm as we go into the Wednesday night time period as that front crosses the region. Right now, looks like that front will exit the coast and we'll see some dry conditions for the end of the week, but there are some model indications that could see a little bit of an area of low pressure developing across the eastern portions of the United States sometime during the late portion of next week. That would be in the day 7, day 8 time period, so a little bit too far out in advance to get a good understanding of exactly the upper level pattern at that point in time, but something to keep our eye on for the extended period as we go into the Friday and Saturday portion of next week. So looking at our next 24 hours, we're looking at pretty calm conditions overall, with the exception of possibly a few light rain showers by early tomorrow morning. We'll see a high today of 59 degrees seeing those temperatures really not dropping a whole lot overnight tonight either. Looking at a low of 47. And then for the next 7 days, looking again at our rain day tomorrow, most of that rainfall activity will occur during the evening hours, but could see a few showers during the morning and also into the afternoon as well. Looking at a high of 59 degrees for your Saturday, and then even warmer conditions for Sunday as we see a return to sunshine as that front crosses the area. Looking for a high of 63, and then into next week, seeing temperatures in the 60s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Our next shot at rain next week would be Wednesday with that frontal passage. A pretty good chance of some scattered showers across the area on Wednesday, and then possibility of some AM showers on Thursday as that front exits the coast and potentially brings in some cooler air for the end of next week. But we will monitor that forecast in the extended and give you an update as we get into the first part of next week. So that wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.